Look! BIDI is taking a walk. Hello, BIDI! Are you heading back home? Great! What's that? There are 3 large rocks in front of your house door. You won't be able to get in. BIDI, let's call Robi to see if he can help us. Hello, Robi! BIDI wants to get into his house, but there are 3 rocks in front of the door. We need something to remove them. Can you help us? What could Robi help us with? A drill? No. An antenna? Nope. A backhoe loader? Yes! With that, we can remove the rocks. Look, Robi's generator. We need a backhoe loader. Come on, Robi, press the button. There's the capsule. Let's go back to BIDI. BIDI, we've got the capsule. It's about to open. Look, the backhoe loader we needed. Let's check all the parts of the backhoe loader. We need to make sure everything is okay. The cabin from where the backhoe loader is controlled. The wheels. The stairs to climb into the cabin. The loader bucket at the front. And at the back, the backhoe bucket. Wait! We're missing the backhoe bucket. BIDI, how can we get the missing piece? Did you figure it out? Of course! The parts machine! Let's go! Look, there's the parts machine! Come on, BIDI, start the machine! We need the backhoe bucket. Now, we have to put the necessary material into the machine. This piece is made of metal. Let's do this. It's ready. Come on, BIDI, press the button. Great! Here's the missing bucket. Let's put it on the backhoe loader. Let's place the backhoe bucket. There it is! The backhoe loader is finished. Fantastic! Come on, BIDI! Let's remove the rocks from your house door. You can enter your house now. Have a great time playing at home. Goodbye, BIDI. Goodbye, ROBI. The gas station. Look, BIDI is taking a ride in his car. What's wrong, BIDI? Did the car stop working? Well, that's strange. Hey, should we call ROBI to help us? Hello, ROBI. BIDI was out for a drive in his car, but suddenly it stopped working. Can you help us figure out what's wrong with the car? Great! ROBI will analyze the car with his laser. ROBI, do you know what's wrong with the car? Oh, it's out of gas. What could ROBI help us with? A wake-up clock? No. A new wheel? Nope. A gas station? Yes, that's the solution. Look, ROBI's generator. We need a gas station. Come on, ROBI, press the button. There's ROBI's capsule. Let's go, ROBI. We'll take the capsule to BIDI. BIDI, we've got the capsule. It's about to open. Look! The gas station we needed. Let's check all the parts. The tank where the gasoline is stored. The gas pump. The meter that measures the amount of gasoline going into the car. And finally, the hose with the nozzle. Perfect! We put the nozzle in the tank and wait for it to fill up with gas. It's filled up! Now the car is ready to travel. Fantastic! Goodbye, BIDI! Wait, BIDI, ROBI wants to go with you. All set now. Safe travels. A house for BIDI. Robi! I see you're deep in thought. What's going on? It's true! It's BIDI's birthday! You're thinking of a gift for him, aren't you? Do you know what you're going to give him? Oh, a house for BIDI! Great! Come on, Robi, put the capsule in the gift box and let's take it to BIDI! BIDI will be so happy! BIDI, we have a surprise! A birthday gift for you! Happy birthday! What could it be? Look! It's a house for you, BIDI! Let's build it! First, the foundation and the floor. Now, we need to raise the walls of the house. The windows. The window sills. The front door and the garage door. You'll also need a bed, a nightstand, a desk, and an office chair. Hey, we need a crane to place the roof tiles, and the chimney on the house. How can we get one? That's right, the parts machine. Let's go! Look, there's the parts machine. Come on, BIDI, turn on the machine. We need the crane parts. Let's put the necessary materials into the machine. Metal as the main material and concrete for the counterweight. Let's do it! Done! Come on, BIDI, press the button. Here are the crane parts. Let's finish the house. First, we place the crane base, the main body, the cabin for operating the crane, the long arm, the short arm with the counterweight, the cables that hold the two arms. We pull out the main cable to lift the load. And finally, the hook to grab the load. Awesome! We've assembled the crane! Let's finish building the house. First, let's put the roof on the house. Now, the chimney. And finally, the garage roof. go! Your house is complete, BIDI! Fantastic! Enjoy your new home, BIDI! Goodbye! The Christmas tree. Hello, BIDI! Christmas is almost here. You look very happy. Hey, BIDI, aren't you going to put up a Christmas tree? Why don't we call Robi to help us with the tree? Awesome! Hello, Robi! Christmas is almost here and we don't have a Christmas tree. Can you help us? What kind of tree should we put up for Christmas? Is this a Christmas tree? No! What do you think of this one? Nope! And what about this one? Yes! The fir is the perfect Christmas tree! Here's Robi's generator. We need a Christmas tree. Come on, Robi, press the button. Here's the capsule. Let's take it to BIDI. Here's the capsule, BIDI. It's about to open. Look! It's a very beautiful Christmas tree. But this tree is missing the Christmas decorations. How can we get them? Did you figure it out? Of course! The parts machine! Let's go! Come on, BIDI, turn on the machine! We need a box with Christmas decorations. Now, we have to put the necessary materials into the machine. Plastic as the main material. And glass for the lights. Let's do this! It's ready! Come on, BIDI, press the button! Great! Here's the box with the decorations. Let's decorate the tree. First, we put the Christmas balls. Now, some candy canes. The Christmas lights. A garland. And the most important ornament, the star of the tree. I think there's one more surprise. A toy train. We've finished the Christmas tree. Fantastic! Goodbye, BIDI! Goodbye, ROBI! Merry Christmas! The tower crane. Hello, BIDI! Are you preparing the roof to install a TV antenna? That's great! Hey, BIDI, how are we going to lift the antenna up to the roof? It's very high! Should we call ROBI for help? Awesome! Hello, ROBI! BIDI wants to place the antenna on the roof, but it's too high. Can you help us? What could ROBI help us with? A clock? Nope. An oven? No. A tower crane? Yes! With the crane, we can lift the antenna up to the roof. Here's ROBI's generator. We need a tower crane. Come on, ROBI, press the button. Fantastic! Let's take the capsule to BIDI. BIDI, we have the capsule! It's about to open! Look! Here's the tower crane we needed! Let's lift the antenna! Great! The antenna is now in place. Now, we need to secure the antenna to the roof with this large screw and this nut. We need a tool to tighten the nut. Which tools shall we take? A screwdriver? No! A hammer? Nope! A wrench? Yes! With the wrench, we can tighten the nut. It's done, BIDI! The TV antenna is now installed. Fantastic! BIDI, have a great time with your new TV. Goodbye, Replacing the car's wheel. It seems that BIDI is going on a car trip. Watch out, BIDI! There's a nail on the ground. Yikes! The car's tire has been punctured by the nail. BIDI, why don't we call Robi to help us? Hello, Robi! BIDI's car tire is flat. We need to change the car's wheel. Can you help us? What could Robi help us with? A piano? No. A gas station? Nope. A jack? Yes! With the jack, we can lift the car! Here's Robi's generator. We need a jack. Come on, Robi, press the button. There's the capsule. Come on, Robi, let's take it to BIDI. BIDI, we have the capsule. It's about to open. Look! Here's the jack we needed. Let's lift the car to remove the wheel. First, we need to place the jack under the car. Now, let's use the lever to lift the car. Great! Look at the shape of the wheel bolt head. Which tool should we use? The drill? Nope. The hammer? No. The wrench? Yes! The wrench will do. Fantastic! Hey, BIDI, we need a new wheel. Where can we get one? Did you figure it out? Of course! The parts machine! Let's go! Come on, BIDI, start the machine! We need a wheel for the car. Now, let's input the necessary materials into the machine. Rubber for the tire. And metal for the rim. Let's do this. Come on, BIDI, press the button. What happened? The machine has produced 3 wheels. Which one should we pick? This triangular-shaped one? Nope. This square-shaped one? No. The round wheel? Yes! let's put the round wheel on the car. First, we place the new wheel. And now, we reattach the bolt using the wrench. Finally, we're going to lower the car with the jack. Done! We've repaired the car! Fantastic! Goodbye, BIDI! Have a safe trip! Wait, BIDI! ROBI wants to go with you! All set now! Safe travels! The crane truck. Look! BIDI is going on a trip with his car. How fun! BIDI, watch out for that tree! Yikes! The tree has fallen in the middle of the road and you can't get through with the car. What can we do? Of course! Let's call ROBI. Hello, ROBI! That tree has fallen and we can't get through with the car. Can you help us? What could ROBI help us with? A toy train? Nope. A new engine? No. A crane truck? Yes! With the crane truck, we'll be able to remove the tree. Here's ROBI's generator. We need a crane truck. Come on, ROBI, press the button. Fantastic! We have the capsule. Come on, ROBI, let's take it to BIDI. BIDI, we have the capsule. It's about to open. Look, the crane truck we needed. Let's check all the parts of the crane truck. We need to make sure everything is okay. The truck cabin. The seats and the steering wheel. The windshield and the windows. The lights. The bumper. The radiator grill. The fenders. The wheels. And finally, Finally, the trailer with the crane. Hey, the crane is missing the hook to grab things. How can we get it? Did you figure it out? That's right, the parts machine. Let's go! Come on, BIDI, start the machine. We need a hook for the crane. Now, we have to put in the necessary material to make it. The hook is made of metal. Let's do this. It's ready. BIDI, press the button. Great. Let's put the hook on the crane truck. We put on the missing hook, and now we have the crane truck finished. Fantastic! Come on, BIDI, remove the tree with the crane. We can get through. Goodbye, BIDI. Goodbye, ROBI. Safe travels. The red car. Hello, BIDI. What's wrong, BIDI? Oh, you want to go on a trip? And you don't have a way to do it? Hey, BIDI, why don't we call ROBI to help us? Hello, ROBI! We need your help. BIDI needs to go on a trip, but he doesn't have a way. Can you help us? What could ROBI help us with for the trip? A toaster? No. Building blocks? Nope. A car? Yes! With a car, BIDI could take the trip he needs. Look! ROBI's generator! We need a car. Come on, ROBI, press the button. There's ROBI's capsule. Let's go, ROBI. We'll take the capsule to BIDI. BIDI, we've got the capsule. It's about to open. Wow, here it is, the car we needed. Let's check all the parts of the car. We need to make sure everything is fine. First, the car body. The seats. The steering wheel. The doors and windows. The windshield and rear window. The front and rear lights. The fenders. The hood and the engine, which allows the car to move. The license plate. Hey, what numbers are on the license plate? 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's right! And finally, the 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3. Hey, where's the 4th wheel? We're missing one of the wheels to finish the car. Biddy, how can we get the missing wheel? Did you figure it out? That's right, the parts machine. Let's go! Look, there's the parts machine. Come on, Biddy, turn on the machine. We need to make a wheel. Now, we have to put the necessary materials into the machine. Rubber for the tire. And metal for the rim. Let's do it! Done! Biddy, press the button. Here's the missing wheel. Let's finish the car. We'll put on the missing wheel. And now, the car is complete. Fantastic! Goodbye, Biddy! Goodbye, Robi! Have a great trip!